Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Dole and this is my Howmet Aerospace presentation. History and growth. This company started in 1888, but it wasn't originally called Howmet. It was actually called Alcoa, and they just a major player in aluminum and aerospace industry. And then they eventually in 2016 Alcoa split into two separate companies, and it was Alcoa, and then it was Arconics, Arconics, or Arconic, and this was they just concentrated on engineering products and solutions, particularly in aerospace and automotive sectors. Then eventually they went on. Arconic went on in 2020, and they just wanted to restart from scratch, so they renamed their company to Howmet, and then just restarted from there. And then we can see here that they in 2011 it started pretty good. They started off on a good track, and then it just dropped. And then they just had to keep grinding, and then eventually in 2020, whenever that you can see exactly where that drop was, where they restarted, renamed it to Howmet, and then it just boom and took off, and now it's at 4805. Well, actually, this was on August 3rd, 2023, so 3 months ago, but that's still accurate today. It's still around 48. But a little bit about background. Howmet Aerospace mainly focuses on advanced material engineering products and just the components in aerospace, and focus on the defense part of it as well. And then it just focuses up on advancing technology, so the structural and the fasteners, and then the engine parts as well. And then here's the references. That's going to be all. Thank y'all.